Yes, ready for dictation? Start. Nowadays, people are making some fabulous reliance for their rights to avoid the rights from forgery and get annoyed to keep their rights alive along with rituals being capable to write historic mysteries stop. However, some people want to abstain rude expressions for a sum of rupees and cunning attitudes stop. When if they know about their reputation that they have no challenge to note regarding the human behavior not to describe it stop passage. The Sikh community obviously are sick to absorb the attitudes during they seek the attention towards their reliance stop. It is therefore they are negligent to avoid the mishappening for long years therefore stop. At the outset, if anybody wants to live in peace in spite of being a piece of legislation under the Constitution of India by not affecting and making or creating a committee by its constitution stop. Their provisions are made for the people to serve the nation and for keeping their values alive stop passage. The governments make site plans time to time for giving site of provisions to grace the site of constitution by amendments stop. In addition to this, people skip the cultural cell during thinking it that they shall convince it by requesting for governmental rule playing the important role, and it is their duty for any election by providing the electoral roll to other members in the state stop. Hence, they live in the jurisdiction of state residential area. They have to leave all the other benefits provided by other states accordingly, and if their state of mental ability affects the conditions to each and every state government's stop passage. In other circumstances, people are bound to consider the various orders passed by Supreme Court and High Courts by their amendments without any court fee stop. As a matter of fact, the Supreme Court is larger in view of the jurisdiction than the High Courts. Even then, the court issues the various orders to abstain the acts under section 19 within bracket B of clause within bracket 2 for avoiding any acts or omissions stop. The government also starts the anti-drug campaign to aware the people about Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan by antedated period stop. It keeps the limit of cut off from the date of said campaign initiating by the government's stop. Passes whenever any government adopts any campaign to file the provision and thinks about its adept and skillful plan for the reiteration provision to adapt according to the policies stop. Later, The government also writes a letter to High Court stop over.